Hi guys, today we are making some eggless vanilla cupcakes. To start off, mix together the bicarbonate of soda together with the sour milk and set this aside. Now mix together the sugar, oil and the vanilla essence. Once your sour milk mix has bubbled up slightly, add it to your sugar mix. Now sift in the dry ingredients, which is the cake flour as well as the baking powder and the salt. Now mix just until everything is combined. Be careful not to overmix. Now spoon this into your muffin cups and bake at 180 degrees for between 20 and 25 minutes. Enjoy!